I am so pumped about making this video right now about how to regain control when you feel like you're losing her. And my solution for you today is, think about a pilot, for example. Say a pilot has anxiety when he's flying. What is that pilot going to do if he has a panic attack or he's afraid something isn't going to go right in the air or the landing? He is always going to put his emotions aside, and he's going to be logically looking at the manual. In other words, he's going to be remembering the facts. The facts of move this lever, check your altitude, all of the things he was trained to do that work, by the way. He's going to do that, even if he's anxious, even if he's scared. It doesn't matter what he feels. He's going to do what he was trained to do. A man in the military, for example, he's at war. He's scared, he's shaking. He remembers his training. He remembers everything he was taught, even in the face of death. He remembers it, and he sticks to it. And he embraces that fear. He doesn't run from it. He goes after what he's supposed to do based on what he was trained to do. And how does this compare to dating women? You will have times you're scared out of your mind. You're scared you're going to lose her. You think you're losing all control. But something inside of you remembers your training. And your emotions are telling you to reach out. But your training says, don't chase a woman. Your emotions are saying, tell her how you feel right now. Don't wait. Tell her how you feel like a man. And then you remember your training and you think, wait a second here. Why am I playing the feminine role? This is wrong. She's got to be the one coming clean about her emotions to me. So in that moment, I understand how terrifying it really is. It's a lot easier to say on a YouTube video than in reality when it is actually in front of you and it's happening right now and you've fallen in love with this woman and you feel like you are losing her. But understand, you have to stick to the game plan. It will never fail you, okay? Your emotions can fail you. And I'm here to tell you that today, brutally honest. Your emotions are going to piss on the masterpiece you created right in front of you. And it's going to be disgraceful. And you're going to walk away with your head down because you know you did the wrong thing and you're going to regret it later. So if you're losing her, just understand, you must pull away. If you're losing her, you must do the opposite of what your emotions are impelling you to do. Remember your training. Remember all the study you've done on this stuff. You know chasing women doesn't work, so don't chase her now. Well, what if she's with somebody else? It wouldn't matter anyway, because chasing her is only going to push her more into that guy's arms. It is not going to work. Flip the power right now. Flip the power. Quit acting weak. Quit letting your emotions run this thing. Grab that steering wheel, remember your training, and follow through like a man. And I promise you, you will never regret it. Whether you get her back, whether you don't, you will not regret it because you're going to go away with dignity. You're going to go away knowing you did the best possible thing. Because I know you're hurting now, but I'm telling you right now, if you start chasing her and following your emotions, you're going to hurt even more. You're going to hurt even more. And it's not worth it. So to recap, all this information is so much easier said than actually implemented. Understand, I have empathy for you guys. I have empathy for the situation that you're in. Don't be too hard on yourself, but just understand, sometimes you need a good wake-up call. These emotions are sometimes overtaking. They will overtake your life. They will put you in a bad place of vulnerability and, just hurting yourself unnecessarily. And I made this video to pull you out of that today and understand that I've been there, number one, and number two, it works. Thank you for watching this video today. If you guys have any questions about anything, I encourage you to work one-on-one with me by clicking the link below. That will take you right to my website and you can book a one-on-one coaching session with me. You guys have a great day. Be empowered.